Hi guys, welcome to Tech Legit. Today we going to our second part of this Paidverts website tutorial. We had already uploaded the part 1 tutorial regarding the registration of this website. In this video we will describe how to earn money by this website. There are plenty of opportunities available in this website to earn money. The best option is cash offers. You can see here, click on cash offers. You can earn money through this cash offers just by doing different kinds of surveys. Here you can see there are a lot of surveys and different tasks available for you. You can just click on any of these and complete the task successfully. You will get up to 560 cents per survey or task you are doing in this cash offers. This is the offers given by Van ads only. There are other offers given by other platforms such as Personally, Offer Toro, AdJump, Jungle Survey, etc. Each of these offers can be completed successfully and you can earn up to $20 a week. Here you can download a particular application and complete some kind of surveys and play some kinds of online casino games and earn as much as money you can. So these are all about cash offers option, and the other option is PTC walls. In PTC wall you can earn money just by clicking the advertisements given by the clicks wall. Here you can see, just by clicking this advertisements you will get up to $0.00016, and there are also other tasks and offers available for you. You can do any kind of task and complete this task successfully, and you can earn up to $2 or $3 by doing small tasks. And here you can see click grid. In this click grid you can just click any of this position in the image and the site will redirect you to an advertisement, and you can just solve the captcha and confirm to enter your token to a lottery. So yes, we got 10 BAPs, 10 bonus ad points. So you can earn up to $1 from this click grid option. Here you can see the recent payouts. You will have 20 chances each day to enter into this click grid option offer, and you can also earn money from paid ads and online casino from this website, and also you can earn money by purchasing targeted ads, bulk ads also, and there is also referral options for you to earn more amount of money from this website. So that's all about this PTC website Paidverts. In this video we will provide more information regarding this website in the upcoming videos, so subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you.